Mercury has always intrigued us as the tiny planet zipping closest to the Sun. This scorched, speedy world is a cosmic oddball packed with surprises. But how much do we really know about this solar sprinter? Let's dive into 10 amazing facts that might just change the way you see our smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of just 4,879 kilometers. It's barely bigger than Earth's moon. It's the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average of 58 million kilometers. That proximity makes it a scorching target for solar rays. Mercury's day is wildly long, taking 176 Earth days for one full rotation. That means a single sunrise takes 3 months to arrive. Its surface swings from extremes, hitting 427 degrees Celsius in sunlight and dropping to minus 173 degrees at night. Mercury has almost no atmosphere, just a thin veil of gas. This leaves it exposed to meteorites, carving craters across its rugged, moon-like terrain. The planet's orbit is quirky, shaped like an egg rather than a circle. It speeds up and slows down, covering 39 to 61 million kilometers from the Sun. Mercury has a massive iron core, making up 60% of its mass. This oversized core puzzles scientists, hinting at a violent past. It experiences sunrise jumps, where the Sun briefly reverses direction in the sky due to Mercury's odd rotation and orbit. It's a cosmic dance unlike any other. The Bepi-Colombo mission, launched in 2018, is unveiling Mercury's secrets, from its magnetic field to possible ice and shadowed craters. Finally, Mercury's gravity is weak, just 38% of Earth's. You'd weigh less and leap higher. So there you have it. Mercury isn't just a tiny dot near the Sun. It's a world of blazing days, icy nights, and cosmic quirks. What mysteries will we uncover next? Which of these Mercury facts amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more space discoveries. See you in the next one.